Yo guys, what is going on? It is your boy Nick from Run the Foot Market, and today what you guys are going to be seeing is a little bit of a thing that I'm going to start doing basically after big promo events or big crashes. Just want to make an in review and just looking at the market impacts of what's going on maybe a day or two after. So right now we're about probably 12 to 24 hours after Lunar New Year, and what's interesting and why I'm making this video already is we're using flipin.com to use some of their analysis tools, but the market index is really up already. And I was expecting a recovery to come on the market from Lunar New Year, but I wasn't expecting it to come this quickly. And you're seeing that the whole market in general and the index 100 takes a compilation of the top 100 rise or down things in the market, and it actually calculates a actual whole percentage. The market is up. The market will go up this week more. May go down this weekend again with a lot of people trying to sell investments. So if you were trying to sell investments, I would probably sell them before the weekend just to be safe. And then you may be able to pick up some again on the actual week when people are trying to sell. But yeah, in general, man, it's really good news. It looks like a lot of people are buying back. And the main thing that's really good news is that a lot of the gold cards, which is expected, that got killed during lightning rounds, are recovering a very good amount. They are getting back up in value a lot. You can see here the market momentum, everything is going up very quickly. Same thing is going on with the special card market. The special card market is going way back up. It reached its low. Basically, it reached its low probably this weekend. I mean, it had to reach its low on probably Saturday, Sunday, which was 110 before Team of the Year, which was 108. And the market rebounded real nice after Team of the Year. So that's that with the special market. Now the special market will jump back up for sure, and then you can see everything is going up very quickly. Special market is going up quickly, and that's exactly what we're expecting. We're expecting nothing less. I just really wasn't expecting the rebound to be this quick. What is interesting is this Parejo card is starting to fly up, which is this 86 rated inform from this Team of the Week. He's at 38,000 coins, and the reason why this Parejo card is actually flying up so much while he's still in Team of the Week is, first of all, he was so cheap for icon SBCs. People are doing him like crazy, so he's rising up. But also, he's in the books to get a winter upgrade, which means he's going to become an 87 rated. Cheapest 87 rated is Icardi at 57k, which actually means that this guy's going to go more than Icardi unless his supply kills him, because he's more linkable and he's being submitted to icon SBCs, which means in general, like, he's not actually that supplied because he is being submitted away and he has a very big purpose. Icons in general are up a lot. So basically the gist of this video so far, using all these flipping tools and things like that, is that the market is really up. It's really up. And I think, it's funny, like, I used to complain about market crashes as being like, why is the market always crashing? Can we get out of market crashes? But I'm starting to really like market crashes. During this weekend, I've probably made in 3 to 5 hours of checking prices and cards, probably anywhere from 1.5 to 2 million coins, just trading icons, flipping icons, picking up on the panic. You just need to have the confidence as a trader saying, hey, I know the market's going to rebound. Let me get involved. So a lot of you are also here not only to hear about what's going on with the market today, but also to hear about maybe, what's going to go on with the market as we can progress this week, right? So now we're talking like, okay, this is what the reaction is going on right now. You can see every graph on Flippin, and these are accurate tools, tell us that everything is going up quickly. So what you're seeing right now, right? You're seeing a lot of people who got coins from these packs because they opened with FIFA points and they were 2-for-1 packs. Seeing a lot of these people have more buying power, right? And then you also are seeing less people panic listing. So less people listing their cards way too cheap because they're scared. And then you also have a lot of people that are panic buying. So you have three main things going on. You have people with more buying power right now for the short term. We're going to talk about how that changes in a minute. You have more people, there's less people listing these cards, and then you have more buyers. So what does it mean when there's less listing and more buyers? It means that the market is actually going to go up basically everywhere. Because if there's less cards on the market but the demand is higher with a lower supply, hey, market's flying. And that's why you're seeing it go up right now. Now, let's talk about this week. I'm expecting the market to continue to go up this week. I think it will go up into this weekend specifically. But I'm a little scared that on Sunday there may be some selling, like some pretty hardcore selling. There may be people who, bought teams during Lunar New Year, didn't sell them this week, let the market keep going up, got really greedy, and said, hey, let me sell this weekend for max profit. Played the weekend league with their team, and then the market took a poop. That's what I'm a little bit scared of that happens this Sunday. So I'm just recommending any of you guys who have big time investments, maybe you just start to filter a few of them out in the next few days. Anybody with ones to watch cards, and I know I did a video on this the other night, but ones to watch cards are cards that I just like to talk about. I think they're relevant. Once the watches are actually recovering very nicely. Sanchez is over 600, Aubameyang's over 800, Coutinho's up 10k, Costa's up 10k, Lucas Moura's up, Batman's at 89. Just all these guys in general are starting to get up a little bit, which is very good. They should be. But once the watches, anybody who's investing currently in once the watch players, those are not players that I really think you have to worry about, going down like crazy this weekend. The ones that I'm worried about going down this weekend a little bit are Team of the Year cards and are cards that are high in demand. I'm a little worried that there's going to be, because this weekend also, you guys need to understand, I believe this weekend or the weekend after is the last weekend of qualifying. I don't know. This weekend could be the last weekend of qualifying for whatever the cup is going on. So all the pros are using their super teams. They may just get off this game after the qualifying or take a little break for a little. So I'm a little scared too that could have some big time selling with some really elite players. So that's just something I'm just pulling out ideas to you guys and speaking about potentials this week. Now, team of the week I want to talk about. This team of the week has like unlimited supply, but not infinite. And what do I mean by that? Team of the Week 10 had like infinite supply because you had Team of the Week SBC for 7 days. You had lightning rounds for 4 days. We had basically lightning rounds for 3 days. And then we had Team of the Week SBC for 2 days. So this Team of the Week has a lot of supply, and it got really low. You're seeing already Firmino's up, this Firmino card was 240. He's already up to 285. He's going over 300. Aguero is at 1.05. He's at 1.17. All these guys. Bernardeschi's already up 3K. Vertonghen's up like 5K. All these guys are up big time. Parejo's up like probably 15-20% already. Zelinski was 13K. He's up to 19 already. That card's going to rise. Ronaldo's the only guy in this team of the week so far that hasn't actually risen. And that's interesting to me. You would think out of all the players in the team of the week, if we go look at graphs right now, everybody is higher than what they were yesterday. This Aguero was 1.08, 1.124. Every player in the team of the week is higher than it was yesterday except Cristiano Ronaldo, which just, I wouldn't say it's interesting. It just kind of confuses me. Moses is up big time. I picked up Moses for like, there was a period where he was like 13.5, 14K. I bought them all. I literally bought them all. I was like, that is so cheap. So I'm going to be flipping those soon. Team of the week. This team of the week rebounded perfectly. It's going to keep rebounding this week. For sure, you're going to be able to make some coins on them, flipping them into the next weekend. Also, something to point out, just talking about post-lunar things. The upcoming Team of the Week predictions, which are on Flippin', this Team of the Week does not look good, right? There's a few good players in here that I realistically will get in. Realistically, Cavani's in, and Jordi Alba are in. Those are the highlights of this Team of the Week, which is good for this past Team of the Week. And nobody ever really thinks like this, but it is very good for this past Team of the Week. And the reason why it's good for this past Team of the Week is due to the fact that it will put more attention on this team of the week, right? Usually these cards are new and everybody wants to use them, right? So it holds them up to a value. They go up for a week and then they really, they either go down because nobody likes them or they go up or they stay the same because they're rare, right? Well, I think this team of the week is going to get added value, right? Because you have Cavani and Jordi Alba in the next team of the week. Okay, nobody cares, right? Nobody really cares. So I think people are going to come back, use Aguero, use Ronaldo, use Firmino. I think this team of the week will rise really nicely for the next week or two. Some of you may argue against me saying the supply, Nick, the supply is too much. I don't like it. Okay, that's fine. But I just feel like this team of the week has too much in it between Ronaldo, Firmino, Aguero, Vertonghen. I think they're going to rise. I really do. And I think, again, we're looking through these post-lunar trends. Like, it's literally 12 hours after Lunar has ended and the market is flying. It's flying. It's going so up, and that's because I think the difference was between this year's Lunar and last year's Lunar. Last year's Lunar was a lot of lightning round with half-off coins, but not half-off FIFA points. So people actually did the coins because that's where the deal was. This year was 2-for-1 packs, and you could use FIFA points. And I think what a lot of people resorted to this year was using FIFA points, and I think that's going to be big. What do coins do? If you use coins for packs, what does that do to the market? It takes coins off of the market, right? So the market would go down as you lose buying power, okay? If you use FIFA points, what would that do for the market? It put coins onto the market because you're not using your coins, you're using your actual IRL money, and you're adding coins onto your account. So then you have more buying power, and then universally, everybody opening FIFA points, it adds a universal buying power onto the market. So expecting the market to continue to rise this week. Once the watch is going to start to be really interesting again, I think they're going to get back on the swing of things. A lot of games coming up. I'm going to have you guys covered with those videos. And yeah, thank you guys for all the crazy support on the channel recently. You know, a lot of people coming through to the videos and just showing love and saying, hey Nick, like, you know, I've made this amount. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, like, how much money do you guys have right now? How many coins do you have on this game? And, you know, how much of it do you think, you know, maybe you learned or you gained some information from on this channel? Yeah, thank you boys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in a video soon. Peace.